It's kind of a little slow on goat right now. We sold this Air Force One Sail Team Orange. Retail on this one is 100. If I'm not mistaken, I bought this somewhere around 49 or 55 when the champs had a sale. That's on that one. And then also sold 2 pairs of BC foam runners. Got these 2 pairs from the apps with ECs, the confirmed apps, which is I have more chances of winning because my account is a higher tier, which is the icon. So got size 4 and size 6. Oh, the size 4 sold for a little less compared to size 6. So this one is a good example that I bought on Nike factory store. Nike Shock NZ retail is 125. I sold this for asking price of 115. Sold this one also overseas retail, and this one is 110. Air Jordan 1 Low SE All-Star Weekend. And there we go. All right, so it's about time to reveal our reservation if we win on finish line on the Jordan 1 Fusion Red. So first up, we got a 8 entries on size 11. So I didn't go too much on the raffle, like too much entry, because the resale value on this one is not that really high. It's just about merely somewhere $50-$60, so it's not worth spending a lot of points. So I'm still trying to do some experimentation, how many raffle I need to put on if there's a hype or there's no too much demand. So starting off on my account, this one size 11 entries. Let's see if we could win. Click that one, peel and reveal. Dang! Woo. So next one we have size 8. Let's check it out. Oh no, another loss. Let's see, peel and reveal again. Man, still lost. 3 rows lost. Now we have size 10.5, 8 entries. Let's check it out. There we go, we got one. Alright, so we got a winner. Alright, so last one. This one is size 10.5, 8 entries. So just like what I said, we're just doing some experimentation with the sizing and also how many entries we need to put on. So all right, last one, let's see. Oh again. Lost again. All right, so that's it. one wins. It's a good thing that I'm trying to learn on this particular shoes, just in case in the near future when it is more hype sneaker, more profitable Jordan 1s, I will be winning. Maybe there's a higher chances of winning for me if I knew the sweet spot on how many entries that I need to put on. So we're gonna pick up 1 pair on Champs. Unfortunately, we don't have an active reservation on Foot Locker. Same goes with Foot Action. So 2 L's already on those stores. So we only have 1 active reservation that we won on Champs. And on the account of my daughter and my mother, they all on waitlisted and turned to L's. The one that I got, my own account, is only the one who won on size 8, and also I won on finish line on my mother's account. So they're gonna go and pick up that one.
Nancy, ready?
and I'm gonna go pick up my size 8 on foot champs. So that's it, let's go. All right, so we're already here at the mall. Hopefully there's no long line so that I can go and in and out, and will take me just a couple of minutes, hopefully. So we're good, we got our pair and champs. I'm really glad that not that much line, but still full packed, a lot of people. Let's go back to work. So here you go, we got the size 8 down here and the size 10.5. It says here the colorway is light fusion red and black, and retail 170. Let's take that one, that one, and boom. Oop. Okay, so it comes with 3 different laces, including white laces. So hey, how about the smaller sizes? Yep. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's soft. It is soft here and this part, in the lateral and medial side, and also soft here on the toe box. And this part is not really soft, but here in the back, hey, the quality of leather is much better compared to the Shadow 2.0. Man, I wish the 2.0 is just like this type of leather. If that's the case, those 2.0 should be gone. Man, this type, well, you can't go wrong for that leather quality, but the colorway, yuck. It's just the McDonald's. They said McDonald's. So here we go. That's the size 8, 2 pairs. Well, it is what it is, even though we don't have that much reservation, active reservation, that we could win on Flex app. Only one win on champs and 1 win on finish line. So it is what it is. So that's it. Actually already sold the 10.5. So that's it for today. So I hope you like this video, and if you like it, can you please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one. Well, what do you think on this one? Peace. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye bye.